drone show at Atomic Golf at Stratosphere. There's supposed to be 400 drones. It looks like they wisely kept the show on the far side of the net, because you know people are going to keep whacking those balls, trying to knock those drones out of the sky. There's a lot of mist now coming down from these misters. It is not warm at all, even though I think it's over 100. This is the first show, so I'm not really sure what's happening with this. I thought the show was going to be straight ahead, but it looks like it's happening behind the net, off to the side. This is where the driving range area is. This is the 4th floor. See if I can make it a little more sparkly. High contrast. Thankfully, there's a net right here. They might be having to deal with some FAA issues, so they're keeping it outside. Because you would think they'd want to do it right up here against the dark sky. It's pretty slick though. That's a crowd pleaser. Spook. That was one of the designs they had shared earlier. Is a proposed design. Kind of firearm. That needs some pew pew sound effects. Doesn't sound like there's audio that coincides. They have a DJ on the main level who's cranking out the hits. Yeah, I don't think they could do this too high because this is a very, very busy area for helicopters doing strip tours. Oh, that's sweet. In a CGI world, we kind of take such things for granted, but that's amazing technology. 400 drones. Synchronized with that. The lighting is programmed, the movement is programmed. Oh, here's the beer mugs clinking. You better do a clink. Clink. Another crowd pleaser. It's drones kissing. Oh, the Strat. Oh, am I fitting it all in? That's what she said. Technically, that would be her saying that. A little homage to the Strat. Oh, and firearms. very well mistaken. I don't think I've seen the Atomic Golf logo. I'm pretty sure that has to happen. Oh, come on. Is Pepsi paying for this? Nice. Wow, product placement. Nice. See, there's the helicopter right there. Oh, showgirls. That helicopter touched that showgirl's breast. I'm calling HR. Oh, there's the logo. And another helicopter. I'm pretty sure the helicopter companies are going to put this on their tours. So we're at about 6:20 for the duration, which is impressive in my world, truth be told. They usually top out at about 4 minutes, but I think that's going to be it. I'm pretty sure that code is not going to be scannable. No, I don't think so. It's possible. Pretty cool though.